No food se chiga nchire chechi go mancho muliereria banyako bwata ibolire ndeliansi ngo gachinsema chiri cha YouTube na bagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News ingoliereria ase SMS nindo che Peter Makoli mokagati omwana Sabina korwa bogeka mwamairura agateba Ndizi family mbia mona sega singi ya mobokora tigaba igabagendera koba omoroberio Josephine nabana baye boigo omwancho muliereria agenda gututumira ujumbe yago anyako bwate ibolire ndeliansi na bagotote karibu sana daktari.
Yeah, good.
Ndagete bono omanyi mwancho muliereria kero kende naro to kumanyeti omomanyi elietali yago tomanya kogendera.
Bia mono Frida, bia mono Sara Somole. Aso weke studio twakirenya sa bia mono Ndizi TV. Amarieta igonkoro kwa Motondi Musumari, omwalimu na ino munyagitalia Korase Tenacious Center Habo Center.
Biyake gima omwancho mulie ni ganyorwa keigo kiagera bono bunembura ya tule na bebitango bikobera ase para lakini kolende eta ntogo chigotange kana batokunyara koba ko togokwana alitonyare koba tokwarigani alitukolia lero ino munyagitali tokorwa ase clinic ya Tenacious Habo Clinic na begokorwa ase college ya Tenacious Habo College. Igo mwancho mulie ndete tuchake kigima nto ateba togochikokwanera medicinal foods. Mwancho mulie natete kumanya medicinal foods echinchire chechi.
Bia mono. Bia mono bona naikagoteba pole sengenchimbura ya ture nyinge nkorware kidogo na Frida atebire muligereria karibu. Twabere tukwigira ebinte binge igoro ya kuwena waito naturally. Bikiere bintu nyasa atongete bibwate chinguru cyokogwenya. Ebe mete ebe amaua, ebe amatunda, ebe emeli, ebe amasabo, amane chinda tokoria. Bono asiri tukoria rero ngonaga ninkwanire chindagira, chire chindagira na ende chire ryobo. Asobogi mabaito botambe na botokoyeka chindagira, echinde twachirose chire fresh, echinde twachiyeke echinde twali chire chimbese. Bono particularly rero ngonataka nkwanire chindagira nke ekerogo chirosi bune ryogo igo chiko be ryogo. Ekerogo chirosi bune ndagira na ende chiabe ndagira. Number 1. Awe balende ntaragendera rero nari ambatevinga ase clinic yeito Tenacious Habo Center Tenacious Clinic twaretire products cheito bochanga ase town twachirusiri kurujogo bande bari kuri ne pigipigi bagenda gojijogo lakini rero twachiretira ase town center ase Twin Towers aliye mu Cyobosongo chi product icho chideka chirabenke nimbwato moto buna muringa nimbwato moto amaguta akoro kwa black seeds oil kose kalonji nimbwate plant ekoro kwa turmeric na nimbwate plant ende ekoro kwa oregano so ninchi kwanerake kerongo chi angekokora so that mbatevi actually these products igochire chindagira na ende chire ryogo bono asebono Frida maitento bwate nyanya enyanya is a very good product enyanya igokobeka chinyeni kwabeka actually kire ndagiro okolia na bondo chenyanya ro utatigero ngoli ne chai so enyanya is very much medicinal. Number 1 e juice yenyanya gosase lugengi yomosoli bwenyanya ekere nyanya ere mbese Frida okomita amachaye okay kero kwanye sibiri biya kwa rosirichi chemical amachali yaye ne ryogo lyokogwenia vidonda so onye kubwate kidonda kende yonsi igonko koletera magana ya na ende abere confirmed na ende are clear ne bintu twakolera na Tenacious Habo Center gose clinic gose college twarira abantu bakogwena so onye kubwate enyanya of course kero muntu nabwate amachali yaye kero rwalite kidonda igoko gesibia kero gwa sibiri kiarabire ne chumbi and then you wipe it otinye biye ne bandage kwaba gokonyorokereria soup yenyanya maambia mugaso marogoba ase soup yenyanya ebiamu abombiro buna bono nabo apply activated charcoal nabo apply yogurt nabo apply mafuta tukoroka castor oil aya igonsine yogori yasana amono woke lakini asebono enyanya is paramount because enyanya ne bwate chemical chiko nyara kugweni liote lionsi nonye litokoroka stubborn gose chronic wounds gose amaote angire kugwena bwango. Number 2 enyanya ekero ekorosiwa esupu engiya ekorosiwa chinchira ibere one Frida enyanya ise kotogoti bubuya ekarangu yoka ebe esupu yoka asabagaka okay asabagaka it's a very good product abagaka bamintu bali mondigerete as a studio kurundizi TV endale ko batangasira yani yasinchira ya bene na enderende minute egera kolia chinyanya chinyanya chigogo chiri chinchira ibere na mbeyemo oguchiria gune soup ekarangire biya lakini tobeka mafuta mange chikorosiwa gune okay okora chikarange juice yaye okunywa okay you take with the spoon nkiego konya enyanya nebwate a chemical eliye kogera yabalira a chemical yekoro lycopene all right lycopene asege songo so a product yekerera sichinyanya ime ngosoere yachiko reduce a attack gosoburoire tokoroka the prostate troubles eshida yabagaka the prostate gland troubles emechando eliye kogera abagaka bagutwara prostate problem okay prostate buna luge nyoronda atebe kera bagaka baikire miaka 50 gochigoro ngochi bale batwale mechando ekoro kwa sege songo ya kawaida bakoroka blockage lakini ende ine lugha yabo yege songo lakini yakaruto konyoroka se lugende elito kwegelia wanafunzi baito igotoka tabanga actually prostate troubles mwana chire isato ntubate prostatitis asa ko obororo gweka go bat prostate enlargement na prostate cancer all right bono natakante be Frida aigantara arwo igoro yenyanyeye abantu baitu bunabona bagaka ngochi bale batwale prostate trouble eyo of course ndache konye kwanara yoka kando bakaganga cancer tigangere sega igasiri tukolia lero ngabagaka asimore ekero gutwale shire ligose gusinyuko genda achenke buya temine tinge in cancer all right because bagaka bange kero nkwegelia of course ara letere mai studio ko se kambia lenge yanyancho I'm sorry ntwaje kolete bya seria talia Yesu asenale ngomo kwani no mo pastor ku Tanzania waletera mai Frida
twayanchire
bona bagaka bange kero nkwegelia chisemina chinyinge ibago kange kero batwale problem yo kwenda ajenke igo bakaganga cancer abancho mondigereti abangi na abasaye bona bagaka yo nare bataba ndi goteto confirm ngan cancer mbiyoge ndo pimwe okay inchua Tenacious Herbal Clinic togo pime all right ekero twapimira amanyinga gose twapimire problem eyo natito confirm ngan cancer lakini asebono tomato juice tinda tebelie kobe ku chips tomate tomato juice yo kobe ku chips I don't mean that get enyanya nyene gunere enyanya ya tobire ya ikire alafu enyanya iyo onyeke nyenkenke you boil it for a short time ubeka mafuta makeigo nege tungo and then you eat like a juice bagaka asimule number 2 enyanya yeiga nyeke nyenkenke all right oburukanie carrot you create it oburukanie carrot after what create kwa oburukanie carrot nabo gwancho create na the beetroot oburukanie ororo oburukanie nege tungo created I tell you eyene diet yengi sana very smart ekero kulie nyanye yeiga amone chi combination yiga chiga chinde echigokonya bagaka asengencho ye prostate troubles echiga twatera generally enyanya nebwate vitamins na nebwate a lot of minerals ekero tukuli especially erembese it is very powerful na ende promote immunity na ende yakonya go control other diseases yes
biyake gima omwanchi omuliyere ni gotogendete gusangana Dr. Musumali kurwa ase e clinic ya Tenacious Herbal Clinic ase agendete gotomanya igoro ya medicinal foods bono omwanchi omuliyere natete kumanya medicinal foods echi okoli ekero kwanyerekanire kobwate oboroire gose okoli kawaida tubuno okoli ndagerende yonse
not really there nataka benga at least we number 1 we want to empower system yani immunity yaito asoko nye boost na boko nye boost asoko lichindagire chigango teba lakini particularly chindagire nchiro kolia asoko boost immunity against a certain type of disease all right so chindagire chingoteba etogo chiria no nyino mochando utaracha actually mochando utaracha yes we control
kero kende chindagire chicha medicinal food maro ire bunara yaya agochia atanga
okay ekero to kwanira immunity in general unabona specifically na kwanira nyanya aso boost immunity and the prostate gland all right unabona insegoche getungo you see na kera kinke bwate specification yani nke bwate ase gasige gochigokora for example Frida now inseku kwanira getungo eto kebeka chinyeni twakaranga kiareta harufu engia ne ndagera yansa actually karonkuru asenyanya inseku enda segetungo for example egetungo Frida nabogo kerosi une juice juice ose syrup juice ose syrup ekero montago sesiwa ekerago korora you see most of people bago cough too much ba cough agutwera some matale white ama korora malito ege korora kere so persistent especially abana bake lakini atabanga ekero go karanga chinye ni negetungo you use it as food okoli bunendagera lakini specifically bona kerogo chiko deal unabona utaitokora si syrup yogo chiko konya so cough you make a syrup like this koro si syrup yege tungo iga ora tege tungo ekega na vera be kitungu maji nyantondo go senya nkundige koruko
nyangundi
ge koruko nyangundi okay ora toge kenyege keke very nicely erindo be kamache even one glass like this one I think mache mbia sana sengenja kwa nkonya go demonstrate una nanyaleta and actually it is good so obeli amache obeke tungu eke getogote ekero yato gotire and then in this kitungu gegotogota obeke oboke all right ekero kwa bekiro oboke ekero kwa bekiro oboke getogote and then obeke as a container a container ngia sana a container now na boko mwana syrup okonywa lakini okoro se kitungu juice ya yere conk we say super very conk it eliminates even a very stubborn cough egetungu eke okonye ku eliminate no nyono gokora kurogo kong okonde da bokora be cost na TB okonde kole tuna pneumonia okonde ko be natural to gokoro na catarrh ege korro gete kerekerito ekero konywe juice yeye aso mwana moke yuko ko mwana egechiko aso monto manne you can drink even a full glass aso gokonya go control coughing nonyana abantu bo batasma nonyana abantu bo bata allergies because last time Frida even Sarah ekero to algo discuss na Sarah we discussed about allergies na asthma and actually this is the best remedy ekonyara ko handle naturally asthma yes and other allergies
biyake gima omwanchi muliera buno togendete gusanganere daktari Musmari korwa chinsemo chiritia Tenacious Herbal Clinic korinde daktari kwanyera kwa buko kwanera medicinal foods asichinga kichintambe tonyera kwa tokorora abantu bagoteba ekero chindagira nchiroro ukuri chiako a risk gwachikonyora amaroire nakiura nyare ko bakogo chinji birengera byabo kubatenga chindagira nchiroro ukuri chinyare ko bachigotanga amaroire
actually ekero tokoira about diet. For example, endagira nera rokolia ego chikogera chi risk chi amoroira itamente lakini naturally ekerokoli foods chirosi rikoru asobo tongi wanya sai it even reduces echigo keya the risks for example umuntu no bwate chi allergy umuntu no bwate asthma right I want to say this asibali montegerete and I've confirmed this through so kwegelia and what I've done for some time aso muntu bwate asthma and allergies ena gotebi seriously ngaki tiga mabere all right tiga mabere tige sukari yes those two things tiga magena makarange onoroche ekero muntu toko matebinga tige bige bigango changiere chi allergy chi amenta oira nasa matunda oira nasi chinyeni omuntu bwanga bono bagitoko mokonya what is there now as a Tenacious Herbal College that is what we teach by the way as a Tenacious Herbal College igo to kwegelia the disease twateba the causes natural treatment tomanda kogenda herbal treatment kwa nyo Frida so we put basics inga ki abantu baitu litangani bara avoid ebintu biri bikorete mechandase bali yes
abiyake gima omwanchi omuliyere buna togendete gusanga na daktari korwa ase ekliniki ya Tenacious korende daktari ngwa kwanera igoro yenyanya na boigo egetungu omwanchi omuliyere narobolire ekertokoro sikachumbali egetungu ne nyanya twali etayekiri ngakine nebwate ngencho ase ensemo yobo
I wish manyenga ni mwobo this is a very good question aliyoboria biamono I like that it is very good so that's good listening ekero korosia ekoro kwa chali bono kwa ndoro teli alia kachumbali asaba ne bale bakonyero ka chali so nkogenda hoteli wasabanga gose chipsi gose n'abantu bagosaba gose ne fry ase fry elie kando babeka inyanya babeka nege tungu kere fresh nchibono matitindo chi fry eli ne bintu binde egento nkoligere libareta kere the best ne nyanya eli nege tungu kere fresh yes according to immunity according to our teachings bona egento bareta kiyanege so entato ta Frida nga it is very good oise konyoro monto kolie tungu kere fresh na ende aburukanie enyanya however enyanya nera bit acidic into bati acid nke lakini onye ko palatable tubati che ulcer stomach ulcers anyway asomonto bata stomach ulcers na bora nyoro kolie nyanya ya trigger the acidity level na goso yono kolie getungu kiagara acidity level ekor some components are like sulfur ekera nyirire go chigo trigger ralitakoria lakini naboko liko konyore shida inero then naboko tiga bono natakante benga umuntu okoria achali goseka chumbali achamente ali nyinge because it is a good booster, it's a good preventer of disease in our system
ngo mwancho mulire kwa manyire nga kachumbali nere enyencho mono ase afya yaito kolende daktari ekerutogandete gusanga sobwamo mwancho mulire naroro tuligeti korusko gali oyo nyare ko bagakuboliri boli natete kumanya obuya bwo gutumika omugaka egekone gosekera joki omotembe omorako omotakanga omobeno nabaigo mutagara
I think nabondo chenga oyo bolidi swali elio nabwate some information igoro ya herbal medicine kiara inchira bangire meteyo na igure it's got very much medicine or components yani nemetegete gutumika aseke gusi anyway asaba gusi bale gutumia na ende bagutumia sengi chokurwali unabona insegote banga moto mutagani norori of course dende omugaka nanyo kwana very much etubate megaka wetane 240 all right lakini omugaka umuya nori ogotoka siriro bali agusi na ende ntate gotabanga before utaratumia omugaka please get us expert Frida I think they are getting us utaratumia omugaka onde bwensi genda so muntu bwato manyi igoro ya herbal medicine of course yakarto ko invite to Tenacious Herbal College we really put it right nga kekero gutumia omugaka tumia omugaka ole very specific especially to area psychology yaito why ntate gotaba aiga sendizi TV abangi namba yerra gutumia omugaka abaiseke mba yerra gutumia gentoki omugaka but omugaka onye gugwesigikeri korusi ka senge njoku yagi and other diseases it is okay so aserero na tabira abangina na omugutumia omugaka lakini monyore information korwa expert amona abana abaiseke nemete yende buno motembe nkobeli were yanywewa amasabo even roots lakini asera yaro Frida I request that turakwanera medicine of food okipe message ye karongo cha kwana nawe emeteyeke gusi na ende bune kurwalia then I may consider that one
korinde otarasikere message yo oyo alenge Joseph korachinse mochirichia Australia nabwo nanyara ko bakagukunira ekero muntu abwate chi allergy anene mono chinga kichiga cy'obokendo
Yes.
ningi yabwenerete gutumika.
Okay. I say to my brother, I've already from Australia. Like Joseph, welcome. From Australia. I like that. So mbiyamona sokorato ligereria from Australia. Welcome so much. I think ukoiga no wancha akegusi number 1. Na no wanje mete ito akegusi na ndo kwancha kwegera ase kwegera kore natural korunka. Joseph, thank you so much. Welcome. Now, ngakioyo mintaboli.
Aboria akera bono buna bono igachinga kichiga cy'obokendo ime ya Kenya ntoroche obokendo mborororo. Ase chinga kichiga cy'obokendo abantu bali babwate chialaji. Mmete kibabwenete gutumika habo.
I want to be very fast. Ntubwato mote unabona mafuta nara. Timati nara Australia. Mafuta nara naleta mayasana ku black seed oil. Black seed oil. Naenda se lugeli ndora nyanyore sichiru unabona ba indi they call it kalonji. Mafuta ro siri from directly from plants, okay? So brother, if you have this plant, enchiranere agotumika asenginchoko handle allergies and asthma. All right? Insego cha samafutande akoroko eucalyptus oil, Joseph. Amafuta yeganaro is very special. Nara agotumika sana for allergies. I think na discuss amafuta yo the other time. However, enta tekota yanga Joseph. Onya chi allergy chiroro, what you do, belia mache. Beka mafuta make igoime ase jug oberia mache obeka ase jug obeke some drops of a eucalyptus oil kero kwa bikiro ororo Joseph of course talia yara kire kwa boli dia bange but now specifically in refers Joseph ase nginja boli lakini na bange batotegerera oruafu orete getamba gwe kamerere you see kera dio kiriri gwaka korunsa mpaka igoro it is very nice because it does the healing it does the healing ekiagara elio kiriri digo konya to eliminate a lot of cardiovascular system it helps to eliminate congestion in the chest and other parts of the system so mafuta is very important alafu isekonyora eucalyptus leaves eucalyptus leaves powder it's also very good for asthma enchiranero kobrukani however if I may to direct contact na Joseph even with our doctor in the clinic I think we may discuss more lakini I've said eucalyptus oil kalonji that's black seed oil na emetende unabona getungwe kenateba if you boil it and take it it's very nice for that and other medicines komentana ya boligo Frida
daktari kwanyera kwa gukwanira emete ase oko ase chinseme chichia allergy kole ndo mwanchi muri natete kumanya no mulingamu kwale gukwanira gose mulingamu ngotubora sentere
mulingamu ngaruto kwa na eucalyptus no mulingamu lakini akaro gukwanira mulingamu noro morabu mulingamu noro morabu ewe akarogo amataye karoko nyabwato ko nyakora iga are very strong actually no tanyore eucalyptus oil lakini onyore amato yo mulingamu yo oliokoroko mulingamu morabu it is equally very good actually amatali yo mulingamu ngogwenere typhoid ngogwenera asthma ngogwenera allergies and other complications lakini okonywa say dose as given by the doctor gosomo nyagitali go say herbalist ayitokora Tenacious Herbal College yes
obiyake gima omwanchi muri area chinga kitogendete gusanganere Dr. Musumari korwa chinsemo chicha Tenacious Herbal Clinic na bago Tenacious Herbal College asagendete gutumanyia igoro ya medicinal foods korende daktari ntobwate chindagera chibwate nutrients unabona ntobwate buna chinyeni ntobwate amatunda ntobwate buna chingende nyenjo kichigo cha twara somo birito.
Now I want to say chingende ntatukolareza kidogo abantu mbabwata a lot of acidity in their system now abande mbale bakole chingende chire red chitarabelirwa chiru in the system ekera ko chingende chikwanyora acidity level yae yakinire na I could advise ekaroko chingende chire chibwata a lot of acidity egento kora chingende echi amachari amatangani oitereisko and then you cook it again it's very good gosonye kubwate chingende I think somebody should listen carefully ekero bwate chingende bunechi otatageti na gochibelia oitera amache what you do beka chikaroti bereime Frida timetwesige put them inside. Ekero ko ye kachingende. Chiye mpaka chibe complete. Ekero chie ikire. Now take away these carrots. Throw them away. Chicarrot echi igo help to eliminate the acids egotoka chingende. Now you go on making your normal cooking. Chicarrot echi to basigo chiria because now they've got a lot of high level of acidity and they can be so harmful.
Ego chicarrot echi chigo chichiangusa acidity ra sense mo chingende.
Yeah, eliminate chemicals. Onye chemicals chialenga chingende chiria une chiga preservative chingende chiria tokobeka the carrots take them away and then acidity level yalenga chingende it gets absorbed into the carrots ekungusune carrot chiria one carrot ye you want to throw it away. Yes.
Asichinsemo chichingeni ngorra tore asensemo ye cabbage.
Yes.
Ngorra tore botambe abantu bako chiri chimbese. Nabandi mbarororo banchite koli ekero chi yekire.
Yes.
Asichinsemo chia nutrients nabo igokonyeka asomubere. Nere yere nchirende endonge. Nokoli ekera chiri chimbese gosenekera chia yekire ubaka chia yire.
Now, Frida, nabo a cabbage na beko yekwa. A cabbage na beko liegwe mbese. I want to add a cabbage na beko rosiwe juice. Are you getting that? So we can take it in 3 ways. Na wotoko in the form of juice, na wotoko in a form of cooking, and in as a salad. Now, when you want to take a cabbage with juice, matter we have several types of cabbages. Ekarotota take a cabbage with juice. It is a very good medicine. Yoko handle ulcers. It is got vitamin U. The carrots got vitamin U, which is very important to eliminate the ulcers in our stomachs. Of course, the work yoka, lakini ekeroko nyutumia igo, it's very important. Now, ekeroko tumia carrot, it's good to use it together with the cabbage. Bune juice. And actually, Frida natebanga the best juice. Umontoko nyara kobeka into your body. Igere combination ya a cabbage, sengi chukwanye bolia, a cabbage, a carrot, ne beetroot. Are you getting that? A juice here, it's a very strong combination. Naenda very smart booster your immunity in our system. Actually, that's what we teach in Tenacious Herbal College. Actually, no nara kumanye combination ye juice yoko kobeka into your body. And the combination of the three, na boko menyere even a week. Because it is very strong. Na it keeps on boosting the immunity. No mubero na bogo tuara chinguru. So na boto kutumia cabbage Frida as a juice. And even a salad, as a cooking. However, cabbage so cook, let us not overcook. Because and so forth, it becomes a garbage. In our system. So the best way, make a juice, make a salad. Of course, a juice in a salad, it is edible in a very excellent way. Yes.
Daktari ngwanyara ko bakoko kwanera chindagira munangwanyara ko bakoko kwanera enyanya.
Yes.
Muneko nyara ko bage kurwali oburere. Ko nde chindagira nchiroro na barobo na chiro chiyo chiko nyara ko bachikurwali amaroire. Ndagira kichi buna inote nasha sabo clinic na wewe Tenacious Herbal College mogo chimwasomya abantu gutumeka elinde kurwali amaroire
Good. Let me come direct saying to cover this radio, Frida. Ntowate plante korukwe turmeric. The turmeric is here. Nabande monye manyete. I want to say a plant yengo tumikere asokorosi endagera. Lakini a plant, I mean, it is a kind of powder. It's a plant, of course. Lakini meliye korosiwa. As a Tenacious Herbal College, even another these products to achire tirangene town. A karogo twin towers, a ground floor. Tuabekira malioga mange ale habo ayanda in form of liquids ayanda in form of powder ayanda in form of leaves tuanyebekira all types bone kerogo chayo munyagitali naro of course na inche nonde abanyagitali bande mbaro akoigwa and you are indicated so well kunogo chikonyatumia igonto bate turmeric now turmeric unabono ego tumika asogo prevent cancer. Frida, this plant here, and otherwise, turmeric, it prevents cancer. It controls cancer. No, when cancer is advanced, it works very well. Otherwise, turmeric, it's a very good combination, Frida. Now, another thing, it boosts the brain power. akonyara abantu bale bakweba gusaba na bali school, the mind is congested. Ekara gutumia turmeric, it helps to boost the mind. Eshida ya nkoro, bantu bale ba complain their heart and so forth. By the way, nkoro na engine. So this kind of product, unaona tu hata arthritis, ejetua kwana the other day, these are very good combination. Ekere gutumika with other plants, lakini onye tumia yo Frida, it is very excellent.
Karakendo munabaga tiyo mancho muliyera na kiego chiya tumiko.
Oh, this one, edosi yaye, karakwa nyore turmeric, you take it as a konyerus, unabona agachiko kaliaga ke enusu, alright? Agachiko kaliaga ke enusu. Karakwa rusiri enusu, you mix with the hot water, alright? Wande gentoa kora you zip. Na konywa kawaida kidogo to handle very many diseases. You of course karo wachira psychology we teach and train, and karo wachira say clinic we also explain. Yeah, most of these plants, Frida, I like the way you ask these questions even with this Sister Sarah. You people, you are experts. What is there? It is any herbal medicine, unless you are told by the doctor, someone that say herbalist, with the expert, with the health personnel in our clinic, we advise chindagera most of the herbs you take 30 minutes before meals. Otherwise, chindenchiro kolia karokwa arageire. Yes, lakini most of them kolia 30 minutes chidaike mirongo itatu utararia ndagera.
Biyake gima omwanchi omugere abuna togendete gusanganere Dr. Musumari korwa ase clinic ya Tenacious Herbal Clinic na boigo Tenacious Herbal College ekero ogendete gututumira kerengereri kyago na boigo libuli lyago wetera SMS ase nambere gabwa ase screen yago korende daktari omuntu narege go boliri ekero chinga kichiri kwanyare ko bagokonyora amabuta abeira manga somubere ndagera kyobwenete kori erindanya
Good. Amafuta vera mange. I want to say, Segesongo, we can call it obesity, soft language. Na actually abantu mbale we have big bodies. Na abandi mbali ko ba comfortable. Na abandi mbale bako ba comfortable. So I want to say this. Mono talindagira nchiri chiokolia. You must stop other foods. So tali ukoliweka nchire na ndo maraki. But I've learned abande bale bagotiga even some foods lakini kwanya still bororeli rwabo buna bale bose bona bakinete enyumba yabo ne ebwate mubero ko bamonene. Bono let me advising a key. Skip some meals. Kalia skip some meals. Kalia a combination yeli tunda liroro ochobeke turmeric obeke ne tangawizi. I know this is very normal ntomanyetebo lakini tumese kulibioka. Make sure enda yao ne what some foods inside. Ikere binte bige karoko libioka they may react in your stomach. So narako li tunda liroro oburukanie turmeric oburukanie tangawizi. Lakini as at present asemanyete organization ego produce the best yani tangawizi are the best turmeric are the best. We are the experts in town and even in East Africa. So watch as a clinic toko tangawizi rosiri biya italibandia mone na turmeric ne plant nera ikoro kwa moringa maybe kidogo Frida. The plant nera ikoro kwa moringa which is very much food and very much medicinal. Unabona kero monta bwate asthma itwateba omogongo chronic headache abantu bale babwate chronic headache batama iti reason enda ekumuruma with unknown reasons abantu bale barosete babutukanete emibere yabeko batya endagera abantu bale bakolia ya runda muna yarenge digestion does not take place abantu bale babwata a lot of stress bale depressed uisekonyora moringa with other other indications with the other manner of treatment which I have not mentioned. It's the best as immunity no corali almost amoreronsiali in our system.
Miya mano sana daktari ndo chengwa tebiko nga chinsa chitu chatonyorire korende omwanchi omurigerera nabo tumali boliri abonto chikwa daktari ekero gwatumire anyareko bakago kwana naye elindo nyareko bako mutalira ase clinic ya Tenacious na wigase college ya Tenacious onyareko bako kwemanya amange. Onde daktari ndetengo elifagali omwali nyare ko kwanu mwancho muri kere ekiagera chinsa chia toreire to chitokagendererie weekend.
Mbia mono sana. Thank you so much. Umurigereria mbia mono soko twara chingaki chiao kurigereria na ndi naretire amaiga manene korwa sumunyagitari oito Dr. Joel Omayo. Oyo actually was the proprietor of the organization as a Tenacious Herbal College na Tenacious Herbal Clinic. Na lego tabanga as a Tenacious Herbal College, information egune yetwaruga iga Frida as a chinse echi teko nyara go isana. Ekiara bono wiko montache school. Tumwegeri the disease, the signs, nama liyo ya guchigotumika. Ayaga na leta is part of it. No liyo mintoboli goroye meteyeke gusi. I'll come to have time. Tutwale chingaki tukwanere. Lakini asibone na lezo kwa invite. Gocha college. Ya Tenacious Herbal College. Na Tenacious Herbal Clinic egotoka Jego na Tenacious Herbal College egotoka Twin Towers. Ntobata wanafunzi abange, ntobata kwegeria konene na ende nkorutolichi certificate to empower abantu baito abagusi na abatali abagusi begere igoro yo kuweni kole natural mono ase kwegerera no burwalia gwemete yekegusi. Onye gotate go to meet as a Facebook, it is Tenacious Herbal College. Nabo igo ase ena bayane esimi bali baraga ni waka maybe for further connection. It is 07 15 025 922 0715 025 922.
Mbia mono daktari asogo totalira se studio ito na bago gotosomia amange korende mbia mono omwanchi omurigeria singenchu kwanyare ko bagoko bana inte kurutwaga chagete omurobere bwensa kia chinsa 12 chamambia nigo twalenge na Sara Nyarangi ontita na bago twanyare ko batokwimanya amange twanyaka to gwesomia amange korende omwanchi omurigeria ngo gusaba ogende